Hey everybody, Chad from Colorado Giants. Emily's been in the camera today, so you get to see me. How exciting is that? So, as you can see, I've been busy today with the help of Emily, sort of getting a project done today. So we have some new hot huts. That's been a constant source of frustration over the last, 4 years at this point, 3 years. We just don't have a way during the summer that to keep the plants cool. So either the hot hut is to keep the baby plants warm, but it's a catch-22 because they can get too hot unless you. Oh, hold on, we need light. There we go. But they get too hot unless you're home to roll them up. As both Emily and I work all day, we needed something to devise this. I have famously terrible woodworking skills, so my father-in-law drew up a set of blueprints, and voila, we have ourselves an automatically opening screen house. If Emily, come take a look at this. This is a gas-powered piston that is articulated by heat. So as this warms up on the inside of the screen house, the gas in here, or wax, will expand and it forces it to open. It's probably almost 7 o'clock at night and it's about 60 degrees. And for the man who is a little impatient, I had to bust out the heat gun and see if it worked, and voila, it does work, and I'm pretty darn excited about that. So all that I have left is to get basically some acrylic panels, some plastic greenhouse type panel things, and skin it and the door. And I have the pieces cut for the door, just got to make the door. But I had to see it tonight, so this is pretty cool. This will open automatically, close automatically. And yeah, so big thanks to my father-in-law, Ben Gregson. It looks awesome.